Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, is a charming city with a well-preserved medieval old town. Its picturesque streets, stunning architecture, and rich history make it a popular tourist destination. Must-visit attractions in Tallinn. Old Town. Town Hall Square, the heart of the Old Town, featuring the Gothic Town Hall and Christmas Market. St. Nicholas Church, a beautiful medieval church with stunning stained glass windows. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, a magnificent Russian Orthodox cathedral with golden domes. Toompea Hill, home to the Toompea Castle, the Estonian Parliament, and breathtaking views of the city. Kadriorg Park, a beautiful park with a Baroque palace, formal gardens, and a museum. Kalamaja District, a trendy neighborhood with vintage shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes. Pirita Beach, a popular beach area with water sports and stunning coastal views. The well-preserved medieval old town, stunning architecture, and cultural heritage make it a popular tourist destination. Kadriorg Park is a beautiful Baroque park located in Tallinn, Estonia. It was built in the early 18th century by Peter the Great, the Tsar of Russia, as a summer residence for his wife Catherine I. The park is known for its stunning architecture, lush gardens, and diverse collection of sculptures. The centerpiece of the park is the Kadriorg Palace, a magnificent Baroque palace that now houses the Kadriorg Art Museum. Kadriorg Palace. This beautiful palace houses a valuable collection of European and Russian art. Formal gardens. The park features beautifully manicured formal gardens with fountains, sculptures, and flower beds. Japanese Garden, a serene Japanese garden with traditional elements like ponds, bridges, and bonsai trees. Kumu Art Museum, a modern art museum designed by renowned architect Pekka Vapravuori. Outdoor activities. The park offers opportunities for walking, jogging, cycling, and picnicking. Kadriorg Park is a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering a peaceful escape from the bustling city. It's a perfect place to relax, enjoy nature, and learn about Estonian history and culture. Tallinn transforms into a magical winter wonderland during the Christmas season. The city's historic old town, adorned with twinkling lights and festive decorations, creates a truly enchanting atmosphere. Here's what you can expect during a Christmas visit to Tallinn. Christmas Market. The heart of the festivities is the Christmas market held on Town Hall Square. This market is renowned for its charming wooden stalls, selling traditional handicrafts, festive decorations, and delicious local treats. You can also enjoy mulled wine, gingerbread, and other seasonal delicacies. Ice skating. Several ice skating rinks are set up around the city, including one in the Town Hall Square. Christmas concerts and performances. Enjoy festive concerts and performances in churches, theaters, and other venues. Christmas lights and decorations. The entire old town is beautifully illuminated with festive lights, creating a magical ambience. Traditional Christmas Eve dinner. Experience a traditional Estonian Christmas Eve dinner, which often includes 12 dishes symbolizing the 12 apostles. A Christmas visit to Tallinn is a truly magical experience. Tallinn's streets are a delightful blend of medieval charm and modern urban life. Here are some of the most iconic and picturesque streets in the city. Jalg, this narrow, cobblestone street is one of the most photographed streets in Tallinn. It's lined with colorful medieval houses and offers stunning views of the Toompea Hill. Jalg, another charming street in the Old Town, Jalg is home to many shops, restaurants, and historical buildings. Viina, this street, located in the former Jewish quarter of Tallinn, is known for its unique atmosphere and trendy shops. Rataskevu Street, this lively street is filled with restaurants, cafes, and bars, making it a popular spot for nightlife. Viru Street, a major shopping street with a variety of shops, including international brands and local boutiques. Toompea Hill, this hilltop offers stunning panoramic views of the city. It's home to the Estonian Parliament and several historic buildings. Kadriorg, a picturesque street with colorful houses and a medieval atmosphere. Laita, a wide street in the Old Town, lined with shops and restaurants. Estonian cuisine is a delightful blend of traditional and modern flavors, influenced by its Nordic and Eastern European roots. Here are some must-try dishes. Karma, a traditional rye bread, often served with butter and cheese. Suldi, jellied meat, a savory dish made with pork or beef. Verivors, blood sausage, a hearty and flavorful dish. Kapsard, sauerkraut, a versatile ingredient used in many Estonian dishes. Kapsasup, sauerkraut soup, a comforting and warming dish. Smoked fish, Estonia's coastal location provides fresh seafood, including smoked herring and mackerel. Wild game, dishes made with wild boar, elk, or deer are popular in Estonian cuisine. Forest mushrooms, mushrooms such as chanterelles and porcini, are often used in soups, sauces, and main courses. Berry desserts, Estonian forests are abundant in berries, which are used to make delicious desserts like berry pies and jams. The city's historic charm, festive atmosphere, and unique traditions make it a perfect destination for a winter getaway. Summer in Tallinn is a truly magical time. The long days and warm nights offer plenty of opportunities to explore the city and enjoy its vibrant atmosphere. Here's what you can expect. White nights. One of the most unique aspects of summer in Tallinn is the phenomenon of white nights. During this period, the sun barely sets, creating a beautiful twilight that lasts for hours. This extra daylight allows you to explore the city at your own pace and enjoy the stunning scenery. Beach days. Head to nearby beaches like Pirita or Kakamai to soak up the sun, swim in the Baltic Sea, or try water sports. Hiking and biking. Explore the beautiful nature surrounding Tallinn, including forests, lakes, and coastal areas. Outdoor dining. Enjoy al fresco dining at one of the many outdoor cafes and restaurants in the Old Town and other neighborhoods. Old Town Days. This annual festival celebrates Tallinn's rich history with medieval music, dance, and crafts. Jazzcar, a renowned jazz festival featuring international and local musicians. Various outdoor events. From food festivals to music concerts, there's always something happening in Tallinn during the summer. Tallinn's trolleybus system is a unique and charming part of the city's public transportation network. These historic trolleybuses, some dating back to the Soviet era, offer a nostalgic and environmentally friendly way to explore the city. Key features of Tallinn's trolleybus system. Nostalgic charm. The vintage trolleybuses, with their distinctive design and quiet operation, add to the city's unique atmosphere. Efficient public transport. The trolleybus network provides a reliable and affordable way to get around Tallinn. Scenic routes. Many trolleybus routes offer scenic views of the city, including the Old Town, Kadriorg Park, and the coastline. Environmentally friendly. Trolleybuses are a sustainable mode of transportation, reducing air pollution and traffic congestion. Riding a trolleybus in Tallinn is not just a means of transportation but also a unique experience. It allows you to immerse yourself in the city's history and culture while enjoying the comfort and convenience of public transport. Tallinn boasts a rich history and a diverse religious landscape, reflected in its many churches. Here are some of the most notable churches in Tallinn. Street. Olaf's Church. This Gothic church is one of the tallest medieval churches in the world. Its tower offers panoramic views of the city. St. Mary's Cathedral, a Gothic cathedral with stunning stained glass windows and the famous Dance of Death altarpiece. St. Catherine's Church, a medieval church with a unique history and beautiful interior. St. John's Church, a historic church with a rich history and beautiful architecture. Church of the Holy Spirit, a medieval church with a distinctive Gothic style. These are just a few of the many churches in Tallinn. Each church has its own unique history and architectural style, offering visitors a glimpse into the city's rich religious heritage. Tallinn's Christmas market is a magical winter wonderland that transforms the historic town hall square into a festive spectacle. Overall, Tallinn offers a great balance of urban living and natural beauty. It's a welcoming city with a strong sense of community, making it an excellent place to live and work.